Tensions escalate once again as farmers in India prepare to resume their protest tomorrow, that is on February 21st, rejecting the government's proposal regarding the purchase of pulses, maize and cotton at the old minimum support price (MSP). At the Shambhu border between Punjab and Haryana, preparations are underway as iron shields and jute sacks are stockpiled, signaling readiness to face potential confrontation. In a bid to maintain order and prevent infiltration, media personnel have been issued ID cards to distinguish them from the unauthorized individuals attempting to exploit the situation. Farmers voiced their determination to resume their march towards Delhi peacefully, urging the government to refrain from using force. Leader Sarwan Singh Pandher asserts the rejection of the government's proposal, emphasizing that it fails to address the broader concerns of all farmers.
तो हम अपने सभी साथियों के साथ और कोई कृषि विशेषज्ञ थे और अन्य माहिर कानून के कोई माहिर से सबसे इस प्रस्ताव की समीक्षा करेंगे, तब निर्णय ले सकेंगे इसके बारे में क्या करना है। तो आज हम जाके इसी तरह की अपने साथियों के साथ विचार विमर्श करेंगे, उसके बाद क्या होगा। और जहां तक दिल्ली जाने का निर्णय था हमारा, वो अभी स्टैंड बाय है। हमने कहा है कि आज 19 होगी, 21 को 11 बजे हम पीसफुली ढंग से आगे बढ़ेंगे। हाँ, उसके बीच में हम चाहेंगे, हमारी ओर से पूरा प्रयास होगा कि हम अपनी बात फिर केंद्र के समक्ष रख दें। आज उसका माध्यम कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो केंद्र इन 2 दिनों में कोई और, जैसे मंत्री महोदय ने भी कहा कि कुछ बातें अभी है, उसके बारे में हम भी दिल्ली जाके विचार करेंगे।
The Samyukt Kisan Morcha, an umbrella organization representing farmer unions, criticizes the proposal, labeling it as a diversion from the core demands of the farmers. Recalling the clashes on February 13th, tear gas and water cannons were deployed against the farmers, highlighting the intensity of the standoff. The demand for a legal guarantee of MSP remains the focal point, alongside calls for a loan waiver, implementation of the Swaminathan Commission's recommendations, and justice for farmers affected by previous protests. As the farmers stand firm in their resolve, the nation watches with bated breath, hoping for a peaceful resolution to this ongoing struggle for agricultural rights and justice.